Everything you know about maps might be wrong. Here are facts that sound like lies but are 100% true. Think geography is boring? These 3 facts will make your brain do a double take. Fact 1. Russia is actually bigger than Pluto. Russia's land area is about 17.1 million square kilometers. Pluto's surface is roughly 16.7 million square kilometers. So that dwarf planet you've seen in textbooks, Russia would cover more ground than it. Wild, right? Fact 2. Australia is wider than the moon. From its western tip to the eastern edge, Australia stretches close to 4,000 kilometers. The moon's diameter, about 3,474 kilometers, so the whole country could span the width of our lunar neighbor with room to spare. Fact 3. The Sargasso Sea has no coast. Unlike every other sea, it's defined entirely by ocean currents, a floating patch of seaweed and clear blue water trapped in the North Atlantic Gyre. No land touches it, no coastline, just open ocean. Geography, now somehow stranger than fiction. Want more mind-bending facts? Hit follow.
If you don't like crowds but still love stats, then brace yourself. If you don't like maps but still travel, then pay attention. If you don't like surprises but still watch videos, then this one's for you. Fact 4. Tokyo's metro area packs so many people it outnumbers all of Canada. Packed trains, neon streets versus vast, quiet Canadian forests. Fact 5. About 90% of humans live north of the equator. The northern hemisphere is where almost everyone hangs out. Fact 6. And the wildest. More people live inside a small circle in Asia, the Valerie Pierres circle, covering parts of India, China, Asia than outside it. 3 facts, 1 minute. The planet's population is concentrated in ways that will blow your mind. Exposing the myth about Canada's lakes and common claims. Canada has more lakes than the world combined. True or nah? Let's tear this claim down fast, step by step. Fact number 7. Canada has more lakes than any other country, but more than the rest of the world combined. False. Depending on the size cutoff, the numbers flip. Hydro Lakes counts about 863,550 lakes over 24 acres. The rest of the world has at least triple that. A 2016 McGill study found Canada leads for lakes, choose 0.1 kilometers. That's highly specific, and not proof for sensational headlines. Still, Canada's lake country is jaw-dropping. Fact number 8. The Amazon River is giant and enormous. It's wild, flowing untamed through dense rainforest and swamps, and it has 0 bridges across its main stem. Dense rainforest surrounds much of the river corridor. Massive seasonal floods reshape the river, hindering bridges. Conservation and remoteness discourage bridge projects. No easy span. Fact number 9. Antarctica is the biggest desert on Earth. Not hot, but truly bone-dry across its vast interior. Its interior receives almost no precipitation year-round, making much of it drier than the Sahara Desert. Mind blown? Me too. Hit subscribe for the next myth-busting drop. Why do 100% of travelers underestimate borders? Because France's longest border isn't in Europe, it's with Brazil. Let's run through 3 wild border facts. Fact 10. France's longest land border is 730 kilometers, that's 450 miles, and it's with Brazil. How? French Guiana is a full part of France, and the EU. So its frontier with Brazil counts as France's longest border. Fact 11. You can technically walk from the USA to Russia. In winter, the Diomede Islands can be linked by an ice bridge, about 2.4 miles wide. Sounds epic. But crossing into Russia without paperwork is illegal and dangerous. Fact 12. Only 3 countries are completely inside another. Lesotho, inside South Africa. San Marino, inside Italy. Tiny Vatican City, inside Italy. 3 facts, 1 minute. Borders are way weirder than maps make them look.
Are you shocked to learn Mount Everest isn't the closest point to space? Spoiler. It's all about Earth's bulge. Ready to flip your mental map? Quick facts. Fact 13. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It bulges at the equator. Chimborazo summit sits about 2.1 kilometers farther from Earth's center than Everest's, so it's technically the closest point to space. 1 degree south of the equator, prime bulge zone. Everest is taller above sea level, but Chimborazo wins from Earth's center. Mind blown. Fact 14. Istanbul, the original transcontinental megacity. It sprawls across Europe and Asia, the world's only major city sitting on 2 continents. Fact 15. Iceland was famous for having no mosquitoes, but detections this month ended that streak. Species spotted. Culiceta annulata. Annoying, not disease-carrying. Experts link sightings to record heat and a shifting climate. Antarctica now holds the mosquito-free title. Which fact surprised you the most? Subscribe for more mind-blowing maps.